Hello everyone, in this video I'd like to share a new earring pattern. For this project you're going to need some rondelles, bicones, and seed beads. I'm going to use two different colors just for this tutorial, and either Fireline or nymo, which is what I'm going to be using. You can find the details in the description below. Notice that the rondelles are flat. They're not round. So let's get started. We're going to pick up two of these seed beads and one white seed bead, one gold seed bead. Drop down your beads to the tail end. Make a loop and go back through the first seed bead. And you're going to get a little picot like this. Then pick up your rondelle and repeat these steps 3 more times. So pick up two of these seed beads, one white seed bead, one gold. Drop down your beads, go back through the first one, pull your thread, push it close to your rondelle, pick up the second rondelle, drop it down, pick up two gold seed beads, one white, one gold, drop them down. You can actually use the same color, but for this tutorial it would be just easier to use a different color. Okay. Pick up your third rondelle, drop it down, pick up two gold seed beads, one white, one gold, and go back through the first of the two gold seed beads. Pull your thread and push it close to the rondelle. Pick up the last rondelle, drop it down, and we're done for this row. So we're just going to close the loop by making a couple of knots. Let's do it one more time. So now we're going to go back through all these seed beads and the rondelles just to reinforce this circle. So back through the rondelle, through the bottom seed bead, and through the rondelle, through the seed bead, and through the rondelle. Okay, go through the seed bead and up through the next seed bead and pull your thread. Okay, so now we need to pick up one gold seed bead, one bicone, one white seed bead, another bicone, one gold seed bead, and you need to go down through these gold seed beads and then go up through the third seed bead and repeat this 3 more times. Up through the third gold seed bead. Let's do the same 2 more times. And the last one. We're going to go up through these 2 seed beads and the bicone, and then through the white seed bead. In this row, we're going to need only gold seed beads. So pick up 3 gold seed beads and go through the next white seed bead. Pick up 3 seed beads and go through the next white one. And repeat the same until the end of this row. And the last set of 3 seed beads, pick up 3 and go through this white seed bead. Flip your work. And now we just need to go through all these seed beads in this row just to reinforce this piece. Now we're going to go through the white seed bead between the bicones, and then through the next 2 gold seed beads, pick up 1 bicone, skip the next 3 seed beads in that row, and go through these 2 seed beads. Pull your thread, then go through the white seed bead again between the bicones, and 2 gold seed beads, 1 bicone, skip the 3 seed beads, and go through these 2, go through the white one, through the next 2 gold seed beads, pick up your bicone, skip the next 3, and again go through the 2 seed beads, pick up your last bicone, skip the next 3 seed beads in that row, okay, and again we're going to go through all these beads in this row to reinforce this piece. Okay, now make sure that your thread is coming out of the white seed bead between the 2 bicones. Go back through this bicone, and here we're going to make a loop for the ear hook. Okay, so we need to go through all these gold seed beads, back up through these 2, okay, and now we need to pick up 6 seed beads, and go back through the same seed beads. And you're going to have a very nice loop for your ear hook. And we're done. We just need to reinforce this. So let's go back through these seed beads. you can go through the rondelle and just weave through some of the beads. Okay, you can make a half hitch knot here. And go through some of the beads. And cut your thread. And that's it. Your earring is ready. All we need to do is just add a hook. That's it. Your earrings are ready. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching my videos. Take care, stay safe and healthy.